Tip number 19 is about being a smart shopper and reading your food labels. When you're looking for fat, you read per 100 gram and you're aiming for foods with less than 10 grams of fat per 100 gram and with as little saturated fat as possible. Naturally, there's exceptions to this rule, and we've talked about nuts in one of the previous lessons. If you're wanting to check for sugars, you also look for less than 10 grams of sugar per 100 grams, but also look at the product and think about where the sugar is coming from. Some breakfast cereals have dried fruit in them, for example, and these will increase the sugar that's written on the food label, but that's not necessarily a problem. In order to check sodium, maybe you've been concerned your blood pressure's been a little bit high, you need to look for products less than 120 milligrams per 100 grams. Now, it's reasonably difficult to find foods that fit that criteria. Even foods that we would consider healthy, like breakfast cereals or bread, contain sodium that might be over this level. One of the big things that should be our target for reducing in our diet is snack foods. And some snack foods will really blow the budget in terms of energy, fat, sugar, and sodium. So we need to learn to read labels and consider how these foods impact on our diet.